we've got the RC rack, guys. Hello guys, John from TechSpace, and today we are going to be pumping my brand new RC ramps. Boy! Let's get into it. Okay guys, so a couple of things that we need to do this. Firstly and most importantly, obviously the ramps. So here they are. They are awesome. They are meant to be any type of skateboard or scooter or whatever ramps. I just decided they've got a beautiful angle and I am going to purchase these to use for RCs. I mean, look at that curvature. That's what she said, hey. Awesome guys. So alright guys, so let's quickly start and look at all the items that we need to be able to do this ramp conversion. Alright, first things first, you need the ramps. So these are the ramps that we are going to be converting from these plain looking ramps to our branded TechSpace ramps. You need pieces of plastic, and this is to make sure that you can draw out your stencils that you want to put on your ramps should you want to do this. In my case, I'm going to brand it with some TechSpace and some words, so I needed two of them, obviously 1 and 2, because I've got 1 and 2 ramps, 1 and 2 sheets. Alright, then guys, I've got a piece of MDF wood, and this is just to cut the plastic on. Remember, I am going to use a hobbyist knife, so I do not want to damage the blade on any hard surfaces, and this MDF wood is probably not the best thing to do it on, but at least it's going to protect the blade, and I'm going to feel when the knife blade has actually gone through the plastic and onto the MDF. Then we obviously need our paint. So I'm using this Australian export enamel paint, and they say it's for interior and exterior, and I've got a sky blue color, glass red, and a white undercoat. Now guys, I'm not going to put on a plastic primer because you can see these ramps are already roughed up, so I'm not going to use a primer to help it stick. Then I've got a little ruler here, and this is just going to help me do the stencil cutouts on the plastic sheets. Then I've got a marker to obviously mark the actual stencils. Then I've got my hobbyist knife kit that I'm going to use to cut the stencils out of the plastic. Then I've got a nice hard bristle brush, guys, and that is to wash the ramps. I obviously need the ramps to be nice and clean, so I'm going to use this nice hard bristle brush. And then I've got some soapy warm water that I'm going to use to wash it. And then one of my favorite tools, and I think most people love things like this, is a pressure washer. Let's give it the beans. On button. Let's just get rid of it. Woohoo! One done. Two done. Let's give it the beans again. Let's move them to the wall to get dry. Oh yeah. Second one. Epic. Awesome guys. Right. So while we are going to wait for these puppies to dry, we are going to start creating the stencils. Let's try again. Right, that's maybe a better approach. Impatient. Okay, so guys, let's get back to the stencils. Now, I'm not very artistic, so you guys are just going to need to bear with me on this one. Right, so let's do it. It's now time to do the cutouts for the stencil that is going to be placed on top of the ramp that we are going to spray paint. So just bear with me with this one, guys. I'm just going to fast forward, do a hyperlapse on this one. But yeah, I just want you guys to see what I'm doing as I'm progressing with this. As I'm practicing, I'm just going to use a whiteboard marker that I can just rub out if I'm not happy. Alright guys, and it is done. What do you guys think? So it will go from this open end, full send. I love it. I think it looks awesome, guys. Okay, let's get it onto the ramp. guys, remember to make sure that the pieces that needs to go back on goes back on. This is something that can easily be forgotten. Talking about the cutout with the letters that needs to go back.
Let out the streets, locked in a cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget that piece. You take the west side, take out the east, I'ma put them in a cage, never let out the I hear them chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep rocking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch man, please use caution, caution, caution.
Next up is the red for the 3 on the logo as well as the YouTube block.
I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep rocking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch man, please use caution, 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 caution.
Now it's time for the blue. Haters will say I'm an amateur.
Stop that. Stop that.
Alright guys, time to take it off.
When I'm on the mic, yo, rip up the bass. My DJ is live in the place. I'm on the mic with my lyrical flow. I like it when the bass line's low.
Right guys, I've done the project. I couldn't say that it did go totally as planned. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. I honestly think that the ramps came out very nice. And you guys must definitely let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this project that I attempted today? So without further ado, let's reveal the end product. So what we do is we open-end it and we full send it.
The bass, my DJ is live in the place. I'm on the mic with my lyrical flow. I like it when the bass line's low.
Unfortunately, I cannot give it its first smashing because the paint is still wet. But as soon as the paint dries, I'm going to bring all of my RC cars down here and we are going to smash the hell out of them. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know which one of these 2 ramps do you like the most. Which design? You like the blue YouTube button, the red YouTube button, and obviously the blue text on this side and the red text on that side. honestly was a lot of effort. I wanted to make 2 different stencils, but I just made the one, guys. It was just too much work to be honest, and I think it came out nice. I just changed it up with the colors a little bit. But yeah, guys, look out for the video in the future of where we are going to be testing these RC jumps out. We're gonna full send it. I want to full send it all the way into that grass section there. So we're gonna put them down there where the grass ends, and we're going to send it all the way down that slope into that grassy area. Guys, I'm John from TechSpace, and remember to bash on. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one.
Good die young, did a good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home.